Welcome to Inside the Lab with Aero Electronics, the web series dedicated to exploring the latest in technology and electronics. In this episode, we'll discuss NXP's USB Type-C solutions. USB Type-C is frequently confused with the new USB 3.1 standard, as they came out at about the same time, but Type-C connectors are the physical standards of the cables and connectors, whereas the 3.1 standard defines a faster transfer mode. The Type-C connector has many improvements over the standard USB cables and plugs we've used up to this point. As you can see here, USB Type-C is reversible, making it easier to plug in. This is the most obvious change, and while it's convenient, not the most important. As I'm going to show with this demo, Type-C is rated for transferring up to 100 watts of power while simultaneously transferring data and video. The communicating devices can also request different voltage levels for greater flexibility between connecting low power or power-hungry devices. So right here we have two boards. We have the dock board and the host board, and they're connected together with this USB cable. Now the host board is connected to our NUC computer. Now we have a little demonstration here on the board, but I want to explain exactly what's going on here. We have a thumb drive here with the video that's on the display. The thumb drive is transferring the information over the USB cable via the USB 3.1 cable to the NUC, where it's output on HDMI directly to this monitor. However, it's also going back via the Lightning display port right here. It goes in here, goes back over the USB cable, goes into this board, and then is output to this monitor. So the data is literally going all the way from here and back before being displayed on this monitor. Now we're going to show how these two screens can play the same image simultaneously. They'll be completely synchronized and there's not going to be any stuttering, even though this one's coming directly from the computer and this one is getting its data transferred over the USB Type-C cable. So let's press play here, and you can see how smoothly that goes. And to make things interesting, I'm actually going to unplug this right there. So now this board is being powered via the USB Type-C cable, as well as getting the video, still going very smoothly, and it's also still transferring the data from this thumb drive. So it is simultaneously powering this board, pulling the data from this thumb drive, getting it to the computer, and taking the video back to the monitor. So that's very, very impressive. NXP offers solutions for every part of the system and include high-speed switches, analog switches, USB redrivers, USB logic controllers, USB load switches, AC to DC converters, authentication devices, interface filtering, and MOSFETs. To learn more about how to integrate NXP's Type-C products into your next project, visit aero.com.